If you've ever stared in the mirror and wished there was a simple, safe way to look and feel bigger without going under the knife, you're definitely not alone. Many men bring me this same concern, especially when comparisons creep in, or when an offhand comment from a partner shakes their confidence. But first, please like the video. The more people like it, the more YouTube will distribute it to people who don't have access to doctors or hospitals. Also, please share the video with your friends and family. Many lives can be saved with your help, so share it. That's why in today's video, I want to give you practical, evidence-based strategies. No gimmicks, no miracle cures, just what really works to make your penis look and feel bigger immediately without surgery. I'm Dr. Masha, urology and men's health expert. I help men boost performance, protect their prostate, and feel strong and confident at every stage of life. But before I dive into the techniques, let's talk about something deeper. If a partner ever makes you feel small, ashamed, or insecure, that says nothing about your worth. A real, healthy relationship is built on encouragement, respect, and lifting each other up, not tearing each other down. Remember, what one person dismisses, another might find absolutely perfect. Research even shows that pleasure often depends more on shape and technique than size alone. Many partners actually prefer the mushroom-shaped head, which stimulates the vaginal opening where most of the nerves are. That means satisfaction comes from connection, not inches. Now, let's get into what really works. These strategies won't change your anatomy permanently, but they'll give you immediate, visible boosts in fullness, thickness, and confidence. One of the quickest tricks is using a quality hybrid lubricant, part water-based, part silicone. The shine smooths the skin, adds reflective glow, and makes you look instantly thicker. Pair that with a little self-stimulation beforehand, and you arrive already fuller, blood flowing and brimming with confidence. Another underrated but powerful tool is a vacuum pump. Many dismiss it as a novelty, but it works on simple physiology. By creating suction, it draws blood into the erectile tissue, creating swelling and engorgement. If you doubt suction works, try gently sucking on the inside of your cheek for 3 minutes. You'll see it plump right up. That's exactly how pumps work, and the result is immediate fullness and a bigger appearance. Always use lubricant to protect your skin, and whether manual or battery-powered, the principle is the same: more blood, more confidence. Next, let's talk grooming. Think of it like walking through a tall cornfield. You can't see what's hidden behind the stalks. Pubic hair can do the same thing, covering the base of your shaft and making you look shorter. By trimming or grooming, you reveal your actual length. It doesn't mean removing everything, just keeping things neat so you and your partner see the full picture. It's simple but surprisingly dramatic. There's also jelqing, sometimes called deer exercises in ancient Chinese traditions. With a lubricated hand, you gently massage blood toward the head, making the tip plumper and emphasizing that mushroom shape many partners enjoy. The idea is like cultures stretching earlobes or lips over time. The tissue has elasticity, and with controlled pressure, you get temporary fullness. Grip at the base, push blood toward the tip, hold briefly, then release. Never tug hard, never use ropes or weights. This is about healthy engorgement, not injury. When you combine pumping, jelqing, and grooming, you're stacking benefits. Fullness from suction, shape from manual massage, and visible length from trimming. Together, these create a stronger, more impressive look and feel, without surgery, without implants, and without risking your health. But here's the truth. None of this matters without the right mindset. No partner worth your heart should criticize your body. Focus on your health, your confidence, and the energy you bring into intimacy. Enthusiasm, connection, and self-assurance matter far more than size, And if you want to go a step further naturally, consider a nitric oxide booster made from organic watermelon extract. It's rich in L-citrulline, which helps your blood vessels relax and push more blood where it matters most. That means firmer erections, better stamina, and a naturally bigger appearance. You'll find the link to the supplement I recommend in the pinned comment below. Take care of your health, your confidence, and your vitality, because you deserve to feel good about yourself every single day.